You try to bolt artificial intelligence onto your business without a plan, you risk wasted money, confused teams, and disappointed customers. AI can transform the way companies operate, but only if adoption is managed step by step. AI matters because it offers real advantages: automation of repetitive tasks, faster decision-making through better data, and entirely new ways to engage with customers. But it also carries risks, such as poorly chosen projects that fail to deliver, data privacy concerns, and ethical issues that damage trust. That is why every business, no matter the size, needs a structured approach. A useful way to think about this is Gartner's AI maturity model. It describes 5 levels of progress: awareness, active, operational, systematic, and transformational. Most businesses today are in the awareness or active stages, experimenting with small tools but not yet running AI as part of their core. The key insight is simple: do not skip levels. Trying to leap from awareness straight to transformational is a recipe for failure. So how should a business move through these stages? Start with awareness, by building knowledge of what AI can and cannot do. Move into the active stage by trying limited pilots, such as using AI to summarize customer feedback or automate basic reporting. Once results are clear, you can shift to the operational stage where AI supports everyday processes like forecasting demand or optimizing logistics. The systematic stage means AI is woven into strategy and culture with proper governance and oversight. Finally, the transformational stage is when AI enables entirely new business models or revenue streams. Here is a simple example. A retail chain begins at awareness by educating staff about generative AI. It moves to active by testing AI chatbots to handle routine customer queries. If successful, it enters the operational stage by using AI for inventory forecasting across all stores. At the systematic stage, AI is embedded into strategic planning, guiding everything from product launches to supply chain partnerships. Transformational comes last, perhaps developing a personalized shopping platform powered entirely by AI insights. Notice the sequence. Each stage builds on the previous one. By moving step by step, the business reduces risk, manages cost, and grows confidence in both the technology and the culture required to use it responsibly. The lesson is clear. AI is not a magic button. It is a journey of maturity. Businesses that take a measured path by educating their people, piloting projects, scaling what works, and embedding governance are the ones that will turn AI from hype into lasting advantage. So as you consider AI for your own business, ask yourself, where are we on the maturity model? And what is the next step we can take with confidence?